Here's your X-ray Delta. Turn left now.
Left turn 390 X-ray Delta.
Here's 7 Delta Papa. Start a climb. Go around.
Going around 7 Delta Papa.
Zulu. Wind calm. Visibility 10. Sky clear below 2000. Temperature 23. 2.7. Altimeter 2987. ILS Zulu runway 16 right approach in use. Landing and departing runway 16 left and right. Taxiway Alpha closed between Mike and Papa. Taxiway Papa closed between runway 16 right and taxiway Alpha. Personnel and equipment working adjacent taxiways and runways. Runway 16 right visual approach slope indicator out of service. Hazardous weather information for California or coastal water available on flight service frequency. Advise on initial contact. You have information, Victor.
Van Nuys Tower, Cherokee 427 Delta Papa with Victor, Santa Susana Pass, and bound full stop landing.
427 Delta Papa, Van Nuys Tower, enter right base, runway 16 left.
Right base, 16 left, 7 Delta Papa.
7 Delta Papa, squawk 0252.
0252, 7 Delta Papa.
Condor 1, turn right when able, and contact ground point 7, good day.
Alright, lights, fuel pump, master, mixtures full rich, primer. We're going to put gas to the right. For descent.
7 Delta Papa, follow the 118 freeway eastbound for a right base, runway 16 left.
Follow the 118 for right base, 16 left, 7 Delta Papa.
2 located cross.
7 Delta Papa, traffic ahead to your left, 2 miles, opposite direction, helicopter object case 2100.
Alright, keep your eyes open for traffic, 7 Delta Papa, thank you.
Van Nuys Tower, Gulfstream 32 Mike Juliet, visual 16 right.
32 Mike Juliet, Van Nuys Tower, runway 16 right, clear to land.
Clear land, runway 16 right. 32 Mike Juliet.
Number 7 Delta Papa, the helicopter has you in sight.
Traffic, 11 o'clock, low, 1
G7
mile.
Delta Papa.
Fly straight out, remain out of below 2,000, wind calm, runway 16 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 16 right, cap 409er.
Jet 306, got a new squawk for you, 1320.
1320 is a squawk for Jet 306.
Cherokee 7 Delta Papa, contact tower 120.2.
20.2, 7 Delta Papa. Van Nuys Tower, Cherokee 427 Delta Papa with you on the 118 right base, 16 left.
Cherokee 427 Delta Papa, Van Nuys Tower, traffic 11 o'clock, 2 miles inbound on a straight-in Gulfstream, 2,900 indicated pass behind them, caution weight turbulence, score the turn to final. I'll advise on your sequence about 2 miles out.
7 Delta Papa has the traffic in sight. We'll wait for your further guidance, 7 Delta Papa.
Cherokee 7 Delta Papa, appreciate it. Yeah, and the right base runway 16 left.
Right base, 16 left, 7 Delta Papa.
Gathlon 0 X-ray Delta. Once you get established on final plan for a go around, we need to get some IFR aircraft outbound.
390 X Delta.
Cherokee 46 Hotel, extend downwind, amend sequence. You number 2 following a Cherokee 3 mile final. Correction, 3 mile right base.
Extending downwind, 8346 Hotel.
Cherokee 7 Delta Papa, number 1, runway 16 left, clear to land.
Number 1, 16 left, clear to land, 7 Delta Papa.
November 0 X-ray Delta, start a climb, go around.
Go around 390 X Delta.
There's X-ray Delta, sorry about that. Just got a bunch of releases and we got a bunch of jets, as you can tell, trying to get out of here. Should be okay the next round. Traffic on the upwind, Cessna 1400 indicate, you still got them in sight?
Inside 390 X Delta.
Just 37 Golf, turn left to the downwind.
Left, crosswind, 37 Golf.
Here's X-ray Delta, follow the Cessna.
Follow the Cessna 390 X Delta.
Cherokee 46 Hotel, traffic 10 moving to 9 o'clock, 1 mile, 1,800 indicated, blue and white Cherokee.
Got that traffic in sight, 46 Hotel.
Cherokee 46 Hotel, there is additional traffic on a right base, about a mile north of Cal State Northridge Gulfstream, 3,100 indicated there for the parallel. Your number 2 following the blue and white Cherokee. Wind calm, runway 16 left, cleared for the option.
16 left, number 2, clear for the option, 46 Hotel. Tower 390 X Delta, we'll just take a left crosswind for Burbank, please.
Yeah, I figured as much. Number 0 X-ray Delta, plan for an early left turn for outbound jet traffic.
Hey, just call the left turn 390 X Delta, thanks.
There's your X-ray Delta, turn left now.
Left turn 390 X Delta.
Here's 7 Delta Papa, start a climb, go around.
Going around, 7 Delta Papa.
X-ray Delta, maintain at or below 2,000. Contact Burbank Tower now, 118.7, advise me of your intentions. Appreciate all the help, sir. Sorry about that.
Hey, no worries. 187, 390 X Delta, see you in a bit.
Cherokee 7 Delta Papa, sorry about that. Had some delays getting that jet in between the runways out. Traffic heading to your left, 1 mile, 1,800 indicated Cessna. Do you have them in sight?
We're looking for traffic, 7 Delta Papa.
Here's 7 Delta Papa, no problem. I'll call your left crosswind, sir.
7 Delta Papa, you'll call my crosswind.
37 Golf, downwind beam.
37 Golf, traffic 11 o'clock, mile and a half, just south of the VA on final. 1,400 indicated, red and white Cherokee. Do you have them in sight?
I have the airplane on my left in sight, 37 Golf.
7 Delta Papa, turn left to the downwind.
7 Delta Papa, turning left.